Celebrate Valentine's Day on a budget. 5 simple tips for affordable romance. Valentine's Day is a time to celebrate love and connection, but showing you care doesn't mean you have to empty your wallet. Let's explore 5 simple and affordable ways to make this Valentine's Day special. Instead of dining out, consider cooking a meal together at home. Choose a favorite recipe or try something new. Cooking together can be fun and intimate, and you'll save money by avoiding restaurant prices. Transform your living room into a personal theater. Pick a selection of your favorite films, make some popcorn, and enjoy a cozy movie night in. It's a perfect way to relax and spend quality time together. Handmade gifts carry a personal touch that store-bought items often lack. Consider crafting a scrapbook of your memories together, writing a heartfelt letter, or creating a playlist of songs that are meaningful to your relationship. If weather permits, plan an outdoor activity like a hike, a picnic in the park, or a visit to a local landmark. It's a refreshing way to bond and create new memories without spending much. Open communication about finances is key. Set a budget for your Valentine's Day activities that you're both comfortable with. This ensures that you can enjoy the day without financial stress. Remember, the essence of Valentine's Day is about celebrating your connection. With a bit of creativity and planning, you can make the day special and memorable without overspending. Happy Valentine's Day from WealthWise. For more tips on managing your finances and living well, don't forget to subscribe.